Introducing the All Access Pass package for Magento 1 and 2, a sure way to bring your Magento site to the next level. This bundle gives you full access to all of our premium extensions, including the Marketplace Multi-Vendor, our best-selling multi-user, Sales Wrap, True Edit Orders, and many more. Whether you want to provide your Magento store with top-notch store and order management, marketing improvements, or enhanced shopping experience, we have you covered with extensions you'll actually enjoy using. In addition, you receive expert 24/7 Magento support, access to all upcoming extensions and modules, and the most advanced edition of all of our Magento products. This makes the All Access Pass package an ideal solution for developers to launch their online business or create multiple websites with a variety of functions. Purchase the All Access Pass package and start using these cutting-edge tools at an incredible value. CreativeMinds. We code, you create.